Hey guys, and today I'm gonna tell you how to make a Gucci top in the Designer Studio. So you go click Designer Studio. So I was making Gucci tops like this one, and the ones that are crap and stuff. Yeah, so you go to Design Clothes and you pick any shirt you want. So like I'm just gonna go this one. And you can change the color, but I'm just going to leave it all white for now. And you go all the way back to the one and this one. Yep. So you do this type of green again, and any red color that you want. Yeah, and then you do this, and then it's a Gucci top. So if you can't make a Gucci top, if you can't get the pencils like this, just go down here, waiting 2 hours of how you move it and where the colors, where you could change it. You just go there and go all the way back here. And then your Gucci top will look like this. And then type whatever you want, so like say Gucci, or you can say Gucci again, mom might say that. And if you can't make Gucci tops, if you don't have a computer, a laptop, or whatever things you go on, or MacBook, whatever, you go shopping and you go to themes and you go to the Rainbow Love theme and choose whatever top that has lots of colors in it. Like this one, lots of colors that have not only one color but lots of colors and stuff like that. So I'm going to choose the jumper and you do the same green again. This one, do not do red because it'll look mistake. And yes, red, any red you want, but I'm going to do this one, that the light red over here because it's easier. And then you'll have your Gucci top, and Gucci top is only looks weird, but yeah. So I'm going to try if you can make a Gucci mustache thing, and yeah, just one. I kind of did it, but yeah. So and also, yeah. I haven't tried dress before, but I'm going to try dress on this one. And yeah, then you get your Gucci. So yeah. And then let's try. Wait, no, looks. Also, when you make Gucci tops, you can use all of these ones, but not the jackets, because let me show you. You just go all the way over here, and yes. You can use a jacket, but it doesn't look good, so let me show you. Let me show you right now. So it doesn't look good, doesn't it? It looks weird. And also, and this one too, let me show you. All the jackets and the jumpers do not work, so this one kind of works. You can use jumpers if you want, but it doesn't work, so yeah. You can use all of these ones, you can use them ones, but not this one, or that one, and all of these ones. And I don't know if you can do pants. Let's try out pants. Can you do Gucci pants? Why not? This is fun to do, and I really love it. So, if you're struggling when you go to Wales, like you're struggling how to do it, because let me do this. This one doesn't really work. You see all the top pages ones that not these ones, 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 not these ones. Wait, ones here, like how they make them and stuff, and like how they make them, like this one, how they make them is like, if you don't know how to make them, like if you first go there, you see like how they make them, watch my video now, and then you can earn. And also you can use this one, but I haven't even tried it up. So let's have about 10 minutes making Gucci trousers and stuff and shorts. Also, I love this. I did do another one on my dad's Mac. My dad's have a Mac, but the sound though, it didn't work. So yeah, I didn't do this one I want. And this is how you make it. It doesn't really work. So yeah, I don't think trends will work, but I'm gonna try skirts for now. Also, you can do any green, but I use this back one next to black, and you go up. If you can't find it, just go up all of them, cause 10 minutes, go across 3, and then you get this green. So I can't really find the dark red that lots of people use to make their ones, so I'll just do this one. I'll just do the one up here. And yep, and this is your dress. Let's try some dresses before we end this video. I think this dress can work because I seen some on top page where I don't know where it's gone. I couldn't find it. That them dresses can work, and I'm gonna test it out before we end the video. And it kind of worked. So yeah. Also, I know how to make Nikes and this one and stuff like that. So comment down below if you don't know how to make a night top with these are called and stuff like Adidas and stuff. So yeah, like this one Nike. So yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye guys. Also, if you don't have a recording app on Macs, laptops, MacBooks, whatever you go on, that's on non-phone or iPad. This is my screen recorder, it's called Screenshot, and it's called, here's the web, where you can go on it, Screencast, and yeah, and then you want to record, or you can upgrade your recorder, but I haven't done that yet. And also you can do all the things that you want if you're not English. And you can do, these are the ones, but I do screen is just your whole screen, like, like just what I'm doing right now. And both, Weber is with a camera, and both is just your camera. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys! But this is just me. So you can have my account, this account, and this account. So yeah, bye guys. I'm gonna end this video. How do I end this video? Before I end, I hope you enjoyed this film, and I'm sorry about if it was short. So yeah, bye guys. Now no more questions.